Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today we're going to talk about binary options. Should I and should you trade binary options? Well, let's take a look. Betting or gambling with binary options. Binary options, in which you bet on whether a currency or a stock or commodity and so on will go up or go down or reach a certain price, etc., within a short time frame. For example, you might make a bet that the US dollar will rise versus the euro exactly 1 minute from now. So why are traders tempted by binary options? Binary options might seem tempting because oftentimes you can start with a small amount of money, and brokers sometimes offer sign-up bonuses. But if you read the fine print, you might find that there's a catch. For example, you might be required to trade a large amount of money before you can withdraw your funds. So, trading or gambling. Personally, I don't claim to be able to predict where any stock, currency, or commodity will go within the next day, not to mention the next hour or the next minute. I find such short-term price movements to be essentially random. Besides, as you'll see in the next slides, the house, which is the broker, has a built-in advantage that will most likely cause you, the trader, to lose money over a large number of trades. Let's take a look at these screen captures I've collected from various places around the web, various binary options websites. This one has or offers an 81% payout. And if that sounds like a lot, I mean, that's actually pretty good for these binary options brokers. But think about it. What that means is that if, let's say you bet $100 on the direction of the euro versus the US dollar. All right, so if you're right, then you win $81. If you're wrong, then you lose $100, the 100 that you bet. Okay. So if you keep making trades like this over a long period of time, it's an uphill battle. I don't see how anybody could really expect to do well if every time you make a bet, every time you win, you get $81, and every time you lose $100. That just doesn't make sense to me. Here's another one, and here the payout is 80%. Here's another one that boasts 85%. That's better, but still, if that sounds good to you, again, I mean, think about it. How would you like to have to deal with losing, on average, 15% over a long period of time? It just doesn't make sense. This one offers 83%. This one, 76%. I mean, that, to me, that's just terrible. Yeah, if you were walking down the street and you met somebody and he says, "All right, I'm going to flip this coin, and if it lands on heads, you win 70. I'll give you $76. If it lands on tails, you have to give me $100." Would you take that bet? I mean, come on. And I'm not saying that the movement of gold, for example, is as random as a coin flip. But again, over a large number of coin flips or over a large number of trades, you're really at a huge disadvantage. All right, and here's from another website where you can see some of the payouts are 81%. This one's 76%. This one's 65%. Not too good. So put the odds in your favor. The choice is yours, but I would rather put the odds in the investor's favor, not the broker's. I strongly recommend avoiding binary options trading in favor of a safer, more reliable trading plan that steadily grows your account over time. So if you need more help with investing, trading, options, stocks, or anything of that nature, feel free to contact me. I'm glad to speak with you. My name's David Modell, and my email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. Thanks a lot. I hope this was helpful and hope to talk to you again soon.